living the Bohemian Cowboy. Well, we're just about out of the Eisenhower tunnel up here. And, yeah, it's about 1.5 miles long. If I calibrated right. I didn't really look at the odometer when I first started, though, either. But naturally, we're coming out to the tunnel out of here. And it's downgrade over here now, too, there for trucks. But you can see how pretty it is out here. Sun right now, too, there. And, got a downgrade. 35 miles an hour for trucks. Trucks stay in lower gear. Steep grades next 6 miles. And you can see how pretty it's out here, though. Pretty country. Avalanche area. So we're going down Loveland Pass over here. No, it's part of Loveland Pass, I guess. Loveland Pass over here at 6, but truck runaway ramps, 1.5 miles, 4.5 miles. 35 miles an hour for trucks over 26,000 pounds. And don't see any trucks really up there, way up there in front of me there. See some trucks climbing a hill up here pretty slow. So we got 3 runaway ramps going down this pass here. Pretty slow trucks coming up. Don't see anybody behind me there for a long ways, really, and there's not a lot of truck traffic right now at this time. But got it in 9th gear. About 34 miles an hour, 33 miles an hour. I'm only grossing probably about 55,000 pounds. So I'm not heavy. But like I say, you know, you can go down a mountain there a lot of times slow, once just too fast. And you can see where that first runaway ramp is here, right here in front of me. Slower traffic, keep right. But I remember the first time coming across here, I had to stop 3 times, I think, let my brakes screwed out. Didn't have a jake brake. And, so you know how it is. You gotta take your time there, so. Happy trails, be safe, bye.